Hey guys, so today we'll demonstrate how to use the Vector Fob DC20 Plus machine to sanitize surfaces. So the first step is to fill the tank. Now we have this inlet where we'll place our sanitization liquid. So as my colleague is demonstrating, we'll pour the liquid through this hose and fill it. This tank can fill up to 2 liters of liquid. So once you fill it, close the cap and it is ready for use. Okay, so now my colleague will demonstrate how to use the machine. So on the machine we have this power button. So you push the power button, this will turn on the machine, and then you'll have this nozzle. So you can set the nozzle as to how much quantity of spray you want. So as demonstrated, my colleague is turning the nozzle on the open side, and you can see the liquid spraying out. The DC20 Plus provides 45 minutes of power-free sanitization. Once you feel that the machine is not performing well, so you need to charge it. Now my colleague will demonstrate where is the charging port. So just put the connector into the socket and then plug the machine in. It will take 2 hours to fully charge the machine, after which it is ready to use again.